Good day, everyone. This is the proposed system of ICTA Group 5 titled Senior High School Fingerprint Attendance Monitoring. First, we're gonna open our admin account to open our admin page. In this page, we can see grade 11 and grade 12 strands. Now let's try to open ABM strand. As you can see, there's a list of sections of grade 11 ABM. Here, we can click the delete button to delete a section. And we can click the add section to add a section. We just need to input the required data to add a section. We can click any rows to see the list of students on that section. Now we can add students. Let's just input the needed or required data to add a section. As you can see, this form requires an ID for fingerprint. This is the purpose of that. In this, we're gonna enroll the ID or the ID tree to enroll a fingerprint. In this page, we can see the admin and the user or section account. In this page, we can add an admin account. Here, we can update our section account. Now, let's try to open our section account. In this page, we can select per day attendance or daily attendance. Here, we can see the record of the student. And that's our proposed system. Thank you.